Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and it's been a minute since I have filmed a video. Things have been going on. I'll probably update you in a future video if you are interested. But if you're just here for my July BoxyCharm unboxing, then we're gonna get into it right now. This arrived today. It is July 21st, so this definitely arrived pretty late in the month, which is crazy. I think that this shipped on the 10th, so I'm not sure why it took so long to get to me. It is really heavy, so maybe that had something to do with it. I have no idea. But I'm very excited to open this. My best friend is also signed up for BoxyCharm and her box was really good this month. Does that mean anything for me? Not really, because there's so many variations of the boxes, but here is July's box. I'm very excited. I really hope it doesn't suck. I've had pretty good luck with my last few boxes ever since I switched to just the base box, which is $25 if you're not familiar. You can pay for 2 versions above this one, but I am just a big fan of the base box, which again, $25. If you'd like to sign up, there is a referral link down below. All right, I like to do this grab bag style. We'll open it up. There is a card. Let's see, what's the theme this month? Sunshine. What a pretty card. All right, there's also the prices and all the items on the back, but we'll wait to look at that first. Oh, I think that this is the thing that I chose, I think. Yeah, so this is by the, it is open. This is by the brand Clean Skin Club. Their Vitamin C Brightening Booster Watermelon Green Tea Pineapple. Mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied morning or evening. Okay, cool. So this looks like a pretty full-size container. This does have 1 whole fluid ounce with a very pretty glass bottle with a dropper. I don't currently have a vitamin C, so I'm excited. Smells. Something smells good. Smells like a perfume. Okay, I don't currently have a vitamin C in my bathroom, so I'm excited to give this a try. Ooh, next. Oh, yep, okay. My best friend got these also. So these, I pulled out 1, so I knew that there was 2. These are by Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Joia conditioner and Brazilian, I might be saying that wrong, Joia. Joia shampoo, strengthening smoothing shampoo and strengthening smoothing conditioner. Okay, this might have been what I was smelling. Oh, but they are sealed, so I don't know. It does smell like the Bum Bum cream though, which I think is what these are supposed to smell like. I can smell it. How weird. Okay, I never would have bought these for myself, but these are a pretty good little like travel size. How much is in each of these? 3 fluid ounces, so I could travel with these. That's perfect. Okay, well, you know what? I would never have bought those for myself, but I don't hate having them. What's next? What is this? Oh, my best friend got this too. This is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. I could have used that today with the eyeshadow that I'm wearing. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you saw back here, I am wearing the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure eyeshadow palette. This is the first time I've tried it and I am very pleased. I think I used 4 colors. I used the turquoise, the blue, the white, and the shimmer on the colorful side. This is just a color switch. I do actually have one of these, but it's been a while since I've used it. They are pretty good. I don't know how well they would work with colorful shadows and switching between colorful shadows, but I have found that when working with more neutral shades, this works pretty good, but I bet it would work also with colorful shades. I don't know. This is fine. I have one. I didn't really need another one, but it's fine. Okay, so we must have 2 products left. We have a flat and a box. So let's pull out the box. Oh, okay. This is by Ciate London. I have gotten maybe just one thing from them. This is the Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. So I only have 1 setting mist right now, and I got it from BoxyCharm, I think back in December. It's back here. It's that green thing right there. And I have it more than halfway used up. So it's nice to have another one. And I do like Ciate. They're not really a brand, that I gravitate towards, but I don't not like them. I like trying stuff from them. So this is Ciate London Everyday Vacay. What did I say this was? Some kind of setting spray. Look at how nice that is. It's got the nice rose gold cap. And then, okay, so let's spray it. Oh, I am out of focus. I love when I change the focus of my camera and then forget to change it back. So I just sprayed this. We'll spray it again. It smells like coconuts, which is what it said on the box. It smells pretty good. What is this supposed to do? Mist and set with Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Mist infused with coconut extract and skin softening niacinamide. This is the perfect skin finish for dewy, fresh skin. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited about this. I like this, and it's so pretty, like to sit on my vanity. All right, we have one item left. It is flat. It feels like one of the like blush or bronzer palettes that could have been included in this box. Yes, it is. Okay, Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise palette. Okay. Ooh. If you're familiar with my channel, you might know this. I don't like a lot of face palettes, especially ones with a gradient like this. Like, look, I can maybe use this one, and then that's it. If you have a more medium skin tone, I think that this would be better. I will not be keeping this just because I'm not gonna get enough use out of this, because the only one that would work for me, I mean, maybe this, but not really. I don't use like a really strong bronzer, so this would be, I mean, this one looks nice, but I'm not gonna keep the whole thing if I can only use one of the items. So this will probably be listed on my Poshmark. All right, so we've taken everything out of the box. Let's take a look. So first, on our little card, we have the vitamin C serum. This costs $49.95, so basically $50. Next, we have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray for $22. And then we have, oh gosh, this, the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise palette is $30. Wow. Why did I think Ace Beauté was less expensive than that? That's a lot. And then these are, I think that they're $12 each. They have a price of $24, so that would make sense that these are $12 each. And then finally, we have this switch, which is $17. So I'm not too excited about these two items just because I can't really use most of this palette, and then I already have one of these. I mean, this is fine though. I just, you know, meh, it's meh because I already have it. Decently excited about these, excited about the vitamin C serum, and then excited about the spray. So I feel like I got my money's worth out of this box. If you get BoxyCharm, you'll have to let me know what your favorite product that you got this month was, because I know my friend got an Hourglass product. That would have been so great. Dang it, I did not get an Hourglass product. I bet that I got this in place of an Hourglass product, which is a bummer, but oh well. If you got an Hourglass product though, you'll have to let me know what you got in the comments down below. My best friend got a Scattered Light eyeshadow, which are some of my favorite eyeshadows. So if you got one, you're very lucky. All right, if you'd like to sign up for BoxyCharm, again, I will have a referral link down below that you can use. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.